Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, as always, for tuning in to my 2806th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, E-mini S&P for trading on October 1st, that's right, the infamous month of October has begun. October 1st, 2024. Trading is risky. Trading anything is risky. I don't care if you like crypto, trading cards, if you like options, if you like futures, stocks, ETFs. It's all risky. Please put your stops in. Put them in first before you begin to trade. Now, traders, it's 104 degrees outside here in Las Vegas. It's way hotter than it should be this time of year. I don't want to get in front of the camera and spend 2 hours doing a video. Plus, there are football games on tonight. It's Monday Night Football here in the United States. So I'm going to do one of these shoots for you instead, which would be just as important and informative, but I'm not going to get out in front of the camera. Tomorrow night, even if it's hot, I'll get out in front of the camera. Tonight, let's see what we got. E-mini S&P daily bar. An inverted head and shoulders, if it shows up at the proper time and the proper analyst looks at it, should have an exit door, which shows you a projection of how high it can go. And then we had a second inverted head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right, left shoulder, upside down head, right shoulder, the inverted head and shoulders. And I drew an exit door that had no bars in it at all. In fact, there were no bars that existed past this bar right here, literally. Nothing past this bar right here. So none of this had been posted yet. And we put an exit door here, and the market literally put in this day, went to the bottom. The right shoulder resolved itself, and it came right outside the exit door. And I don't see any changes to the landscape at all. The OMNI still wants us to buy dips for trading on Tuesday, and that's what we will continue to do. There's another interesting set of markets out there. The precious metals. Gold, silver, they're asking for a little bit of downturn. Now, gold is not really a market that who wants to be short gold, right? But we're day traders, so we don't really care as long as we can identify a place to get in, get short or long, whatever our trade's going to be for the day, then take a profit and cancel our stops. We don't care which way it wants to go. Well, Omni says you can sell a rally in gold, at least for the early part of the session, and then take your profits and run. And I looked around and said, well, I don't know. It's already 2 down days in gold. Do I want to try for a third one? And then I looked and said, okay, is an instance of 3, an instance of 4, an instance of 4, an instance of 3. Omni's bearish. Why not say yes? Another down day for trading on Tuesday to agree with the Omni. I never disagree with the Omni ever. I was just looking for my own sort of reasoning. The Omni does what it does. I was looking for reasoning. This would have been my reasoning for being brave enough to take a short in precious metals for trading on Tuesday. We'll see if it sets up, how it goes, the whole 9 yards. But that's what it looks like right now. Traders, if you like what you see, please subscribe to these videos. I'm not going to go through a whole bunch of charts tonight. We'll do that tomorrow. But maybe another down day in the metals and another up day in U.S. indices like E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell 2000. I'll let you know. I'll be in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. It is absolutely free if you want to subscribe. Not even a credit card is required. If you want to join me in that live trading room, I am literally sitting in it right now. It's open always because I'm always in the trading room. Hello, kids. So that's me waving to you. And if you want to join me at livewithoscar.com and meet me in the live trading room, you can hang out with me as well. Again, at Live with Oscar, there are no credit cards. There's no gimmicks. Just follow your email once you fill out your small little application, and that'll be a username, password, blah, blah, blah. Follow your email, which undoubtedly, for whatever reason, will go to spam. I can't stop that. Go to spam, unspam your email, click back to my site. Boom, you'll be at the site. You can join me in my live trading room. So make sure that you join me and hang out with me. I'm there every single day. Traders, again, if you like what you see, please subscribe to these videos. Now, question for you. Are we going to get another 3 down days in a row in gold tomorrow? Or are we all going to lose money trading gold from the short side tomorrow? What do you think's going to happen? Another 3-day session? Or no, do not do it? Please answer below. Let me know, yes, go long, gold, or no, don't do it. Please let me know what you think down below, and I will tally those up in the last video, which we will address in tomorrow night's video. I'll let you know what all of you think about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not over yet, right? So we can still tally up. But this is for what's going to happen exactly tomorrow, Tuesday, in gold. Yes, we should go long. Let's do that just to make it prettier. Let's put that in green. Yes, go long gold. Please answer in a comment below. No, don't do it, because it's going to... I got the whole thing wrong, kids. Are you listening to me? I meant, yes, go short gold. I'm glad I caught that at least. Short. Go short gold, yes, or no, don't do it. It's going to blast through. So that should be the red one. Bingo. Yes, go short gold because you'll make money. No, don't do it. You'll get stopped out. Please answer below. We'll tally those up, and we'll mention the Bitcoin tally in tomorrow's video as well. Traders, thank you for tuning in. LiveWithOscar.com. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. That's about it for tonight. I'll see you at my site. Join me in my live trading room at LiveWithOscar.com. And have a good evening. Thank you for joining in.